Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you just see me for the first time, my name is Medlock. Yes, and I'm reaching out to you from the northern part of Nigeria. In case you're just seeing me for the first time, this is the first time you're seeing my video, you just see my face, please join us, subscribe to my channel. Just click on the subscribe button and remember to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Yes, guys, you're welcome. Today we want to talk about how we can use black seed. Yes, not black seed powder this time around. We have talked about black seed powder before, but today we want to share our knowledge on black seed itself to chase out evil spirit, to neutralize evil power around us. This is black seed. This is black seed. It's, we all know that black seed is very tiny, very tiny, and it's a seed. It has oil, it has the powder. Yes, it depends on what you want to use it for. But you do know that this black seed powder cures 99 sicknesses or 100 sicknesses except death. Yes, especially anything that is spiritually inclined. Yes, anything that has spiritual influence. If you have black seed powder, you can just take a teaspoon of it, add it in a hot cup of water for the sick person to drink. With faith and prayers, you will see the person will get better with time. Yes, and if somebody is possessed, or you're feeling that the house you're living under or you're living in is carrying, is possessed, or is full of some kind of evil presence that you don't understand, and you want to get rid of them, you want to be free, you don't want any evil thing to influence you or influence your life, your career, your relationship, your children. Yes, because at times if you live in an environment and you notice that some evil presence is in that place and you don't take care of it, with time they will leave the environment and enter into your children's body, or even your spouse's body, or even your own body. Yes, and you begin to see misbehavior that you never bargained for. You begin to see happenings that you didn't bargain for. Yes, so guys, this black seed, I want to show us today in this video what you can use this black seed to do. Okay, all right. You will be needing, in this recipe of today, you will be needing some items. Okay, first of all, you will need burner. Your burner could be electrical burner, something like this. It has a cover. This has a cover. This is an electrical burner. You just, if you have it, you connect it. It has an extension. You just connect it to electricity in your house. Then you sprinkle. You put some of this a black seed. You just pour some here. Once you connect it, begin to heat up, and then when it begins to heat up, it begins to release its either flavor or scent or aroma, whatever. This is what the evil presence will not want, so they leave. Okay, and this one is option A. Okay, it's not everybody that will have access to this type of option. Okay, so now I will show you the second option, which is very easy. Everybody can get that one. It will be very easy for everybody to do. I'll be right back.
Simple solutions to life.
You're welcome back. You're welcome back from that time out. Yes, let me do my eye for you. You're welcome back from that time out. Please, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel now. I'm your sister. I'm your one name. I'm your bro. So please subscribe to my channel, okay? And you will not regret you did so. Always remember to drop your comment at the comment section. I will find time to respond to your comment, okay? But if you want to place order for any of our products, please use this number on my screen, okay? It is a WhatsApp only number. It is not call or SMS. Just send WhatsApp. Yes, you'll be responded to, okay? So please, if you want to talk to me one-on-one, you can book for consultation. They will attend to you. They will direct you to me, okay? So don't worry. All right. So guys, what is the second option? You know, our first option is to use the electric burner. You put you burn this in the house and it expels evil presence from the house. See, I'm showing us different options of how you can get rid of evil presence from your house. I talked about neem leaf last time, and I talked about cinnamon stick. Yes, I said even boiling, yes, boiling cinnamon stick in a pot and water on your stove in your house will get rid of evil presence. And then when you burn it, when you burn cinnamon stick, it attracts money into the house. I've said that before in one of our videos. So now, maybe if you have not seen that video, I will try to do a recap or something so that you will remember, okay? So if you are interested in seeing that, in me coming up with that video again, you can just leave your comment at the comment section. I'll look, I'll weigh it. How many people are still interested in seeing that video? Or me coming up with that video to explain more on how to burn cinnamon stick to attract wealth. Then I'll come up with the video, okay? All right, guys, the second option is your activated charcoal. Yes, activated charcoal, it is a spiritual charcoal, okay? See, there are so many things you can do with activated charcoal. You can pound it with your salt, sea salt or normal salt, and use it to beat, to cast out evil presence like witchcraft or whatever, all those things from your life. So now, this is the activated charcoal. You see this color, when you see it, you can see the one that is black, completely black, and you can see the one that is coated with silver coating like this. This is silvery. This is just a coating. The inside is black. So what you would do is that you get a ceramic plate. If you don't have a ceramic plate and you have an ordinary manual burner, you can just place it on it. Like now, for example, this is my burner, right? You just place like this one. You have to burn it on the stove. You put it on your gas, ignite the light, let it catch. Once it catches, it becomes red. You keep it here. You put it here. Once you put it here, you will now take some pinch of this your black seed. You just sprinkle them on it like this. Then it begins to burn. As it burns, it releases tiny little smoke. This smoke is like atomic bomb. Yes, to evil. Even if it is a human being that is possessed, that is carrying the presence of evil, they will run away. Yes. It's either the person move or the evil will just get out of the body. Yes, this is very effective. You can try it. This is a natural way. This is a seed. It has the powder. We sell the powder. If you don't have the seed and you have the powder, you can also do the same thing. You can use the powder to sprinkle on your on your fire like this. You can use the powder, you can use the seed. And this seed now, you can make tea with it. You can do so many things. Apart from chasing out evil spirit, can take care of some ailments that you don't know. You understand? So guys, if this video was helpful, to you in any way, please give me thumbs up and then remember to subscribe to my channel. Okay? See you again in our next video. I love you. Bye.